Binigyang parangal ang GMA Network para sa naging ambag nito sa larangan ng sports sa mga kolehiyo at universidad sa bansa. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Nico Sereno ng GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak.
Ang istorya ng mga pagsubok at tagumpay ng mga atletang Pinoy inihahatid ng GMA Integrated News sa telebisyon, radyo at maging sa mga digital platforms. Ang lahat ng ito, ayon kay GMA Senior Vice President and Head for GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver B. Amoroso, commitment ng GMA Integrated News para suportahan ang mga atletang Pinoy at isulong ang Philippine sports. Tiniyak niya yan sa harap ng mga sports director sa ginanap na CHED 2nd Annual Tertiary Sports Leaders Congress.
Sa GMA Network, we believe in the value of sports, and its ability to inspire and bring communities together. Voicing our commitment to a mas malaking misyon, mas malawak na paglilingkod sa bayan. Kasama dito ang pag-push namin ng Philippine sports.
Hindi lang daw national athletes ang saklaw ng suportang ito, kundi pati ang mga local athletes. Binigyang diin ni Amoroso ang kahalagahan ng digital at social media platforms pagdating sa sports, na tinalakay din sa GMA Masterclass Social Media Literacy Series kasama ang mga NCAA athletes.
We have taught them that when used responsibly, for the good, ang social media can, one, promote themselves, their team, and their league. Attract potential professional teams and sponsors, and provide fans, followers, and supporters news and updates about their activities.
Ibinahagi rin Amoroso na ang GMA Integrated News ay magko-cover sa 2024 Paris Olympics.
What GMA has done in documenting the life stories of athletes is really commendable. And it is important because it is done in an assembly where we have put together all the sports directors, the coaches, the sports officials of all the universities in the country. Para sila din, pag nakita nila yan, they can start thinking of how they can do the same for promotion of athletes in their respective areas.
Ginawara naman ng CHED ng Sports Leadership Award ang GMA Network para sa strong collaboration nito sa CHED Sports at pagbibigay ng extensive coverage sa CHED sports programs at events, gayon din ng pagpapakita ng strong partnership sa CHED programs at activities. Ginawaran din ng Sports Leadership Award ang NCAA na tinanggap naman ni na NCAA Season 99 Management Committee Vice Chairman Hercules Calianta at NCAA Management Committee member at Colegio de San Juan de Letran Athletics Moderator Father Victor Calvo Jr. Mula sa GMA Regional TV Balitang Bisdak, Nico Sereno nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.